Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that you never miss any of our uploads. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Dubverse.ai. So this tool has three primary features. The number one feature is it can dub or translate your videos into multiple languages and it has various tones and voices for that. It can also give your video subtitles, and last but definitely not the least, Dubverse.ai can also turn text into speech. And a great news is this tool is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $1,000, but at AppSumo you are getting this at only $49, and this is a one-time single payment. And as you can see, there are two reviews on AppSumo. Both of them are 5-star reviews. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this AppSumo deal. So here are all the features. You can dub your videos into human-like voiceovers. You can add super accurate English subtitles to your videos. You can convert text to speech. And there are also a lot of other features as you can see. And then these are 3 tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. There are some other tiers such as the tier 4 and the tier 5. So if you want to buy this deal of Dubverse as a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. After you log in to Dubverse, you will get this dashboard, and as you can see on the top, you can see all of its primary features. So you can dub a video, you can create subtitles for a video, or you can also turn your text into speech. So let's first dub a video. For that, click on add a video. Now you can either paste your YouTube video link, you can also import from Vimeo channels, or you can also upload videos from your computer. So let me upload one. Okay, so here's my file, and now to upload this I have to click on this next. Now I have to choose the language. So obviously to dub or translate your video, you are not going to be selecting the existing language. You want to dub your video into some other language. So you can select that target language from here, and here is a very big list of languages. You'll get almost all the popular languages. And then from here, you can also choose the style. So it could be terrified, shouting, cheerful, and others. Or you can also select male or female voices. So for example, I want to translate my videos into Hindi. And now all of the Hindi speakers have appeared on here. You can now select one or multiple. And you can also preview a voice. Let's preview this.
आपकी आवाज में दर्शकों को मोहित करने.
So as you can see, this way you can preview a voice before you choose that. Let's preview this one.
अपने वीडियो को डबवर्स के साथ अधिक भाषाओं में बोलें.
So let's select this voice. You can obviously select multiple voices for the dub jobs. As you can see, I have currently selected only one. I can also remove this, or I can also add one by clicking on these plus icons. You can also save your preference. Now let's dub this video. Okay, so the process has started and the video is 100% uploaded. Now let's go to the home page. And here, as you can see, requesting pending, and the video is processing, which means the dubbing job is currently going on. So we have to wait a little. So in that time, I want to show you which video I just uploaded. This video, let me show you the original one. So here is the video that I just uploaded on Dubverse. Let's play this video. I'm back with another review, and today I'm going to review 𝗗𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 So 𝗗𝗗𝗀.ai is a chatbot creator. By using this tool, you can create chatbots that is going to be trained on your own data. So as you can see, this is the video. Now let's see if the dub job has been finished by Dubverse. Okay, so it is still processing. So let's wait for a while. As we finish this dub process, let me show you another feature, which is this text to speech. So let's click on this. And for text to speech, you have to select some settings, such as first you have to provide if you're a YouTuber, business team are trying. So let's provide YouTuber, and where you want to use this TTS, text to speech. So let's select my YouTube video and click on next. Now on this box, you have to provide your text, or you can also provide your text file by browsing from your computer. The file has to be TXT format. So let's paste the text on here. Okay, so here's the text that I just pasted on this box. Now let's click on next. Now once again, you have to choose the language, and currently it is set to English, United States. So let's preview some voice.
Nice to see you. How are you? Let's make your video go across the globe. Hi, my name is Liam.
So this one looks pretty good. Let's select this, click on plus icon, and let's TTS, which means turn this text into speech. Okay, so the dub project has been finished. Now let me show you the dub project first. Let's click on watch in studio. So as you can see, the whole subtitle has also appeared in Hindi because I selected the Hindi as the dub language. So now let's play this video.
मैं एक और समीक्षा के साथ वापस आया हूं और आज मैं 𝗗𝗃 की समीक्षा करने जा रहा हूं। तो 𝗗𝗃 एक चैटबॉट निर्माता है। इस टूल का उपयोग करके आप ऐसे चैटबॉट बना सकते हैं जिन्हें आपके अपने डेटा पर प्रशिक्षित किया जाएगा और अपना डेटा जोड़ने के लिए आप या तो अपना टेक्स्ट चैट नोट पर पेस्ट कर सकते हैं या आप एक PDF फाइल का उपयोग कर सकते हैं जहां आपका सारा डेटा होगा।
Okay, so here was the dub version created by Dubverse.ai, and I have to say it was very accurate. I'm super impressed with the result because if you know Hindi and if you compare this dub version with the original video, you will also get impressed. The translation was great. And you can see the full subtitle on here. Now there are some other options, so you can also go to retune, and on this retune section you can make some modifications to the subtitle or the dub speech. So you can do that from this find and replace. So on this find and replace, if you write a specific keyword from the subtitle, you can replace that with something else. You can also go to the speaker pool to change any speaker, or you can also enable or disable metadata. And if you click on redraft, and on this redraft section, you can change the subtitle or the dub version of subtitle as a text on this box. So as you can see, now you can delete or edit anything you want. And once you click on process video, the version that you just created using the edited subtitle, that is going to be saved. So overall, I have to say the dubbing is working perfectly on this tool. Now let's go to the home page, and the TTS project is also completed. So let's watch this.
I hope this message finds you well. It brings me great pleasure to extend my warmest greetings to you. I hope this message finds.
So as you can see, the TTS project is also very impressive. You can select any language for that. You can select the voice style, you can select the language, and you can also edit the script or download this if you want. So overall, I have to say this is also another impressive result from Dubverse. And obviously you can download any of your projects simply by clicking on this and then click on download. The same goes for this. And you can also create subtitles for your videos. That is also super simple. Just click on this, and once again you have to upload your video here. So overall, I have to say Dubverse.ai is an excellent tool, especially if you're a video creator or a content creator on YouTube. It lets you add subtitles to your video. It lets you dub your video into a lot of different languages, and you can also turn a specific text into speech. So that is also an amazing feature. So if you want to buy Dubverse.ai on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Here are all the features that you are going to get with this deal, and here are some of the tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. There are also two other tiers, the tier 4 and the tier 3. So make sure you buy the one that suits your needs the most. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.